Sport brings out the best in us. Dedication, courage and hard work, respect for the game and the people who play it. But sport also brings out the worst in some of us. Athletes who use performance-enhancing drugs cheat everyone. Their families and fans, fellow athletes, but most of all, themselves. After all, sport is really all about equality. We are WADA, the World Anti-Doping Agency headquartered in Montreal, Canada. We're the result of a unique partnership between sport and governments worldwide with a mission to help athletes play true. That's why the World Anti-Doping Code was created, to protect athletes, to protect sport, and to protect greater public health. Accepted by nearly 600 international organizations and all Olympic sports, it's the foundation for anti-doping efforts everywhere. In effect, the core framework for harmonized anti-doping policies, rules and regulations in all countries, in all sports. We promote honesty, integrity and equality in sport through education and outreach, teaching the real value of playing clean, as well as the many dangers and consequences of doping. We facilitate and monitor the work of sport, government, and many others who analyze and investigate. In fact, our research program is the only international program dedicated to the development of methods to detect doping abuse. After all, our fight is everyone's fight. Every athlete, every parent, every coach, trainer, and doctor, every government, sports federation, and lab, every Olympic committee, even every fan. We're proud to be leading the fight because our responsibility is to the smallest child all the way up to the Olympic medalist. We know we can't change things overnight, but we do know things have to change. And we know we're already making a difference. That's why we do what we do, so everyone can play true.